Welcome to Valenta. This video demonstrates a Valenta robot, programmed to download reports periodically from the BNI Portal for analysis and decision-making. Subsequently, these reports are forwarded to BNI members across regions. Bot logs into the BNI Portal and navigates to meeting management under the chapter and selects View Palm's summary report. Bot enters the current week date and clicks on View Reports. When the status is complete, it selects the completed report. The bot clicks on the split audit report and clicks on the export option to export the data. It saves the exported file in the specified location. Now the bot moves to download the reports region-wise under the region option. It selects the summary Palm reports and enters the start date and end date to download the last 6 months' data and then clicks Go to export and save the summary Palm report. Bot continues this process and navigates to specific sections under the region option and exports and downloads reports, like membership dues reports and member training reports by inputting required parameters and details. Once all the reports are downloaded, the bot opens Power BI and clicks on the workspace. UAT BNI Power BI report. It clicks on Export, selects PDF, selects the period, and then clicks Export and saves the report. Finally, the bot sends all reports to the client in the mail. BNI members receive Power BI Analytics reports on time every time. Processing time is reduced from 1.5 hours to 6 minutes. Free up admin resources to focus on value-added tasks. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.